Hello everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 1.2. In that, first question is, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Now students, what you have to do is, you have to add all these numbers and then we will get the total number of the tickets sold. Okay, now we will start the solution for the same. Students, as you know that this is the word problem, so you have to write the statements first and then you will solve the sum. Now, how you will write the statements? Look here, tickets sold on the first day is 1094, tickets sold on second day is 1812, tickets sold on the third day is 2050, tickets sold on the fourth day is 2751. Now you will add all these numbers. Now 4 plus 2, that is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. You will write 7 over here. Then 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, that is 20. How you will write 20 now? You will put 0 over here and 2 over here. Now 2 plus 8, that is 10, 10 plus 7, 17. You will write 7 over here and 1 over here. Then 1 plus 1, that is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, that is 5, 5 plus 2, 6 and 7. Now this is your answer. But how you will complete your answer? How you will write? You will write the final statement by adding therefore. This is your therefore statement. You will begin your final statement by putting 3 dots in the margin, and what you will write? The total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days is 7707. Students, moving to our next question, that is question number 2. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Now, you all know cricket game very well. Now suppose you are a cricket player and you want to score 10,000 runs. But how many runs you have scored till now? That is 6,980 only. How much runs you need more to complete 10,000? How you will get the answer? By subtracting 10,000 from this number. That is 10,000 minus 6,980. Now how you will do this sum? Now the answer for question number 2 is total number of runs to be made. How many runs does Shekhar want to make? Is 10,000. Now number of runs he scored. How many runs he scored till now? That is 6,980. What you want to do is, you have to simply subtract these two numbers, that is 10,000 minus 6,980. You have done this kind of subtraction in your previous classes also. The answer you will get is 3,020. Now how you will write this statement? Leave one line, put therefore mark and write the statement, Shekhar needs 3,020 more runs. Question number 3 is similar to question number 2. So try question number 3 also. Now student, looking at our question number 4. Question number 4 is Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Students, in question number 4, the question were asked about the two things. That is, first they have asked about the total number of the books sold, and the second thing they have asked about this is which sale is greater than by how much. Now, question number 4, how we will solve this question as, in the first week, books worth rupees 2,85,891 were sold. Leave one line and in next line write, in the second week, books worth rupees 4,768 were sold. Again leave one line. In the next line, so in the 2 weeks together, books worth rupees 2,85,891 plus rupees 4,768. Now add these two numbers. After adding, what number you will get is 6,86,659. Now student, if you remember in the question itself, the question asked about which week has a greater sale and by how much. Now we will solve this sum. The sale in the second week was greater than the sale in the first week. By looking at these two numbers, you will get to know that the sale of the second week is greater than the sale of the first week. So we will just subtract 4,768 by 2,85,891. We will do the subtraction of these two numbers and we will get the answer as 1,14,877. So therefore, the sale in the second week was greater by 1,14,877. Students, now moving to our next sum, that is question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. Now the question is, what do you mean by difference? Difference means the answer we are getting after the subtraction. See, the answer of addition is termed as total or sum. The answer of subtraction, that is minus, is termed as difference. Now again, least means the smallest. Now what you have to do in this sum is that first you have to make the greatest number by using these digits and the smallest number by using these numbers. Now the answer for question number 5 is the greatest number using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 is 76,432. Now the smallest, or you can say the least number using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 is 23,467. Now the difference between the two numbers, as I explained previously, that what is the meaning of difference? Difference means subtraction. So what you will do is you will subtract these two numbers, that is 76,432 minus 23,467. You will subtract these two numbers and the answer you will get is 52,965. Now leave one line, and by writing therefore, the statement you will write is the difference between the two numbers is 52,965. Thank you, students.